Electrical and computer engineering really covers a wide range of topics from the physical to the digital world, and it really gives us all the connections in between that we don't really see in our day-to-day life.
I think electrical and computer engineering is beneficial because it teaches us the foundations of the electromagnetic spectrum, and in the future fight, when whatever our adversary is, a large portion of who is going to be victorious in that fight is going to be who best manipulates that spectrum.
Electrical engineering is a very challenging major. Almost every military weapon system has electrical and computer engineering components inside it, whether it's an offensive system or a defensive system. There's a lot of design trade-offs our students have to think about to make modern weapon systems.
The most interesting and fun part of this major for me has definitely been connecting it to the real world through our professors and instructors, and also all the research we do here. It really connects what we're learning in the classroom to what I'll be seeing in the operational Air Force.
So it's very critical to have good, well-trained electrical computer engineers out there in our Air Force who know how to make these systems to deter our adversaries.
As a future pilot, electrical and computer engineering is going to help me understand the foundations of radar and stealth technology. So in the future fight, if I am in that combat scenario, I have the background and the foundational understanding of how those technologies work to then best prepare me to survive that future fight.